DroneUp and Wonder Robotics partner on precision technology for improved drone delivery. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby, drone delivery leader DroneUp and Israeli autonomous solutions startup Wonder Robotics have concluded an initial operational evaluation using DroneUp's drone platform for improved autonomy and safety. Wonder Robotics technology will enable DroneUp to advance its operations while ensuring safety. The initial evaluation saw DroneUp drones running Wonder Robotics' WonderLand solution, allowing for smart precision autonomous landing, accurate winch delivery, and an advanced contingency plan. WonderLand also enables the safe and autonomous oversight of multiple drone deliveries at once by a single flight engineer, which will assist DroneUp in scaling its operations. Our technology is a BVLOS scale operation enabler for scalable drone services, allowing the service provider or mission manager to safely operate multiple drones per site, said Wonder Robotics CEO Ian Simone. Wonder Robotics' goal is to provide a reliable technology that will make drone services safe and economical, and to help with future regulatory rules for scalable, safe drone delivery. WonderLand features vertical awareness, vertical detect and avoid, and robust precision landing, enabling BVLOS drone operations at scale. Obstacle avoidance systems grant the drones the ability to maneuver around obstacles such as trees, buildings, and cables, resulting in fast and safe deliveries. Commitment to safe operation is our top priority, and exploring cutting-edge technology like WonderLand is so important to stay on that course, said DroneUp CTO John Vernon. Not only does implementing this into our tech stack improve individual deliveries, but it also gives us a clearer path towards scaling our operation as drone delivery becomes more and more popular every year. DroneUp will be validating Wonder Robotics technology in additional locations through further operational flight tests. Previously, WonderLand earned Wonder Robotics the Pitch the Press Award at last year's Commercial UAV Expo 2022.